In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add upsells to your Shopify cart in 2025. Upselling is a great way to increase your average order value by encouraging customers to purchase related or complementary products. So, without further ado, let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to go to your Shopify admin page. This is the central hub where you'll manage your store. Once there, locate the search bar at the top. You'll find it handy to quickly navigate through different options and settings within Shopify, especially when you're managing multiple tasks. In the search bar, type in apps and then hit enter. This will take you to the apps section of your Shopify dashboard. Apps in Shopify offer powerful ways to extend the functionality of your online store, and they're indispensable for adding features like upselling. Next, you'll want to type Libotech into the search field within the apps section. Libotech is an app that specializes in creating smart upsell offers, which is precisely what we need. Once you've entered this, click on Libotech Smart Upsell from the drop-down menu that appears. Now you'll see an install button which you need to click. This app provides a seamless integration, allowing you to start setting up your upsells as soon as it's installed. Confirm the installation with any necessary permissions it requires, then proceed to the install page. Once the app is installed, look for the option to add an offer, usually marked by a plus add offer button. This is where you can start crafting enticing offers for your customers. Click it and you'll be directed to a new screen where you can design the details of your upsell. On this page you will see an option to enable discounts. Click on it to offer discounted prices as part of your upsell strategy. Discounts are a fantastic incentive, encouraging customers to take advantage of the offer. Then you'll want to specify the discount percentage that will be applied to the upsell offer. Entering this detail correctly is crucial as it directly impacts your margin and how enticing the deal appears to your customers. If you want to style your offer further, click Design Form. This feature allows you to modify the appearance and wording of your upsell, aligning with your brand and ensuring consistency across your site. Once satisfied with your design, be sure to save it by clicking Save Offer. To activate the offer, you will need to open the theme editor. Once there, find the app embed icon on the left side of the screen. This icon allows you to manage the integration of the upsell offers with your theme. Toggle the app feature on to ensure that upsell is active and functioning on your site. Finally, don't forget to save these changes. Look for the Save button, usually located at the top or bottom of the settings page. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully added upsells to your Shopify cart, helping to boost your sales and improve your store's performance. Remember to regularly review and tweak your upsell offers to maximize their effectiveness. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful Shopify tips.